hacks is not magic, it's a life skill. Shoes have a lot of dust from long wear. Knead newspaper into a ball. Rub it gently on your shoes a few times. The shoes will be as shiny as new in no time. Shoes smell too much. Put a freshly bought tea bag into your shoes for one night. No more fear of smelly shoes. A lot of water spray on the mirror. Squeeze shaving foam onto a lemon. Wipe the mirror in a few circular motions. The mirror is clear and does not fog up. Draw this shape on the laundry detergent bottle. Cut it out with a knife. Make a tissue box. Guests have commented on how good it is. Toast the bread on a knife over the fire. This way the bread will be cut flat without crumbs. No room for soap. Use hot melt glue to draw this shape on the sink. Not only does it hold the soap securely in place, it also drains easily. The label on the jar won't come off. Spray some detergent on it and rub it in for a while. It can be easily removed without leaving a trace. Don't throw away the roots of your lettuce. Put it in water and soak it. It won't take long for new leaves to grow.